Hey gang, Carl White here, broadcasting out here at the Lake House, headquarters number two of the Mortgage Marketing Animals, out here in High Point, North Carolina. Those of you watching this on camera today, I might be a little washed out. It is so pretty. It's awful bright outside. I don't have a light on me because this is very impromptu. And but this is a great topic. So you're listening to the right episode if you want to hear the greatest business advice I ever received. So I got this business advice about probably about 5 or 6, maybe 6 or 7 years ago now, and it was man, it changed my business, and so I'm going to be sharing that with you today, and I'll go into a little bit of detail about it. But you apply this one principle, and I'm telling you, it's just game over. And this was the business advice. So um, I had in my business, I had some I lost a deal, right? And it was a big one, right? It was a big one. It meant a lot to me. And I called a buddy of mine, Frank, and I was having a little bit of a pity party. And I said, Frank, man, this is what happened, and man, I just don't know what to do. He said, I tell you what to do, Carl. I said, what's that? He said, dude, just go get more. Just go get more. And that might sound like a simple thing, but I'm telling you, it was a beginning of a transformation in my business that from that point on, I would never be a victim again. And so I have people, tell me, hey, Carl, I had a deal that went bad. Just go get more. Hey, Carl, I had a real estate agent that went south on me. Just go get more. Carl, but you don't understand. I lost a client to a builder lender. Just go get more. I lost a lead. I lost a client to a trigger lead, or I lost a client to an online lender that I know they can't do what they say. And we spend all this time, well, I'll do this, and man, I'll tell them that. And I'm going to tell you, be a class act, first of all. Like, don't ever be a jerk. When somebody leaves or somebody goes out the door, don't be a jerk, right? So be a class act, never throw rocks, and just go get more. It's just that simple. So go get more referral partners, go get more leads, go get more closings, and you'll get more money. And by the way, you can do it with less stress. And it's really just that simple. Now, I'm not saying that we shouldn't practice up on our scripting, or we shouldn't try different strategies, right? I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is, instead of dwelling on when something goes wrong, or we had a loss in something, or I lost a builder account, or I lost a referral partner, or I lost an employee, I lost your branch manager, I lost a loan officer, just go get more, right? Understand that there's thousands upon thousands upon tens of thousands of people buying and selling homes in your area, right? I don't care where you live. There's thousands and thousands of people buying houses. There's if you're a branch manager, there's thousands and thousands of loan officers, right? It's not that each one's not important. I'm not saying that, but what I'm saying is, instead of spending a bunch of time uh, moping about, and frankly losing the wind out of your sails, just be encouraged to know you just simply go get more. And if you just focus your energy on getting more, instead of letting a deal that went south suck the energy out of you, use that energy and just go get more. And if you think, well, but I want vengeance, right? I want revenge. Well, just go get more, right? Just prove to everybody that you stepped up to the plate, and you just simply got more. And I'm going to tell you, that little simple piece of business advice is the best business advice I ever got. When he said, dude, just go get more, it's like the scales fell off my eyes, and I saw clearly for the first time ever, I'll just go get more. And you know what? I did. And I increased my income by literally millions of dollars with an S in the next 12 months. It was just a transformational change in my whole business life. just go get more. So I'm going to tell you that now, that if you like, look, we all get beat up from time to time. We all lose a deal. We all lose a loan officer. We all lose a processor, right? We all lose things. Use your focus of your energy to simply just go get more. And I'm going to tell you, getting more referral partners, it's not that hard. Getting more leads that actually close from either referral partners, the deals that you currently have in place, maybe your past database, your sphere of friends and family. It's just not that hard, right? You just have to have the right things to say, right? The right approach. Um, and when you get more referrals, you get more leads, you get more closings, you get more money, and frankly, you have less stress. Lose all that stress of I lost a deal, and use that same energy. Just go get more. It's just that simple. So, hey, if you need help with G Carl, how do I go get more? I'd love to map that out for you. There's no charge for this whatsoever. Just go to freedomclubdemo.com, freedomclubdemo.com. It'll take you, it'll ask you a couple questions so that we can best prepare for the call. And we'll get on there, do a one-on-one Zoom, and we'll map out to you exactly how to just go get more. And whether that's more referral partners, more loans, more loan officers, more processors, like whatever that thing you're wanting to do, we've done it. I'm just telling you, I've been doing this a long time. We're doing it successfully. My team literally closes hundreds and hundreds, literally hundreds and hundreds of loans each and every month, because we just simply go get more, right? It's just that simple. So we'd love to talk to you, freedomclubdemo.com. So again, this is Carl White coming to you from beautiful High Point, North Carolina. Go get more. We'll talk to you when you call in, and I'll see you on the next episode of Loan Officer Freedom. Thanks again, everybody. Bye-bye.